You're welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make another beautiful and exciting folder file folder. Okay, so it can be used as a file folder, it can be used for children folder, and so many other things. So let's get into the detail of the video. The measurement, I'm using a leather material. Okay, so I'm using the leather material. You just need about three things for this bag. You need your material, and then you need your strap, your belt strap. This is a belt. Okay, the normal belt that we use in making bag, 1 inch belt. All right, and then this is called the magic tape. I don't know what you call it in your place. All right, so but we call it magic tape here in Nigeria. Okay, all right, so this is what we have. Or is it magnet? Okay, so magic tape is what I know it as. Okay, so let's get into the detail of the video. The measurement is um all right, so the width is 15 inches, 15 inches, while the length is 30 inches, 15 by 30, 15 by 30. All right, so this is the 15 inches. So what I did here basically is that I measured um I measured 7.5 inches. Can you see? So this is where I'll be making my folding. Okay, I measured seven and a half, and then I marked it 7.5, 7.5. It's the same thing as 7.5. Okay, so now, and then for this side I wanted to do it so that you witness how I'm going to do it. So just give a mark, curve it. So I'm going to curve it. So, and then the curving from here is 2.2 inches. Can you see? 2.2 inches, 2.2 inches. So I just curve it this way. Okay, so I'm going to cut the curve. Right, so now, to make my work easier, I don't need to measure. All I need to do is fold it together like this and cut it. All right, so this is what we have, right? Please and please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're yet to subscribe, and then there will be adverts. Okay, so YouTube will be placing adverts in between this video. Please watch it for at least 30 seconds. All right, this is the only way I get to be paid. All right, so don't skip. Please watch it for at least 30 seconds. All right, so let's get back to our video. All right, so what I'm going to do now, this mark, I've told you the reason for the mark, right? It's going to be for the covering. And then also, this is where I'm going to be placing my zip cloth on, and then I'll top stitch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fold this in a bit and then top stitch. If you want to do double folding, you can do it. Double sewing, double stitching, double sewing. But in this video I'm doing one sewing. All right, so what next? Okay, so now the next thing I'll be doing is I'm going to be fixing my magic tape. I don't know what you call it. All right, so I'll be placing it. So let me see the position. All right, now the next thing I'm going to do now is I should be able to get where I'm fixing my magic belt. Okay, so get the center of this bag like this, of the main bag. Just use your hand to in order to get the center. Okay, so I marked the center. So now I'm going to be placing my magic belt in the center like this. All right, and the spacing here is 1 inch. All right, so now here again, I'm going to be leaving 1 inch in between here, 1 inch in between this space, so that when there will be a little space in between the zip cloth and the flap. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and fix this on the marked side. But mind you, I'm going to be changing the color of thread under, because this is ash color material. All right, so I'm going to place the other side here. All right, so this is how I want the back to be. So I've already marked here, so let me tell you the measurements. 4 inches. So I'm going to be top stitching this side. All right, so now this is my handle and it's 12 inches. It's a webbing strap. We call it belt here or tape. 12 inches. All right, so you fold it together, meaning you have the whole of this is 12 inches. Fold it into two equal parts and then give it a space of um, 1.5. Okay, and top stitch it. All right, so now the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my belt, the same size of belt. All right, I'll use it to bias it round. So for this curved side, you need to be a bit slow so as to be able to. Alright, so we can continue. Alright, so let's see what we have. You can decide to top stitch it. So let me top stitch it this other way so that it will come out like this. Okay, so I'm going to top stitch it. So see what we have. Alright, so now don't leave here the way it is. You can use your lighter to just light it up and use your hand to, so that it doesn't lose. You see the way it is, it can easily lose. So just use your lighter, matches or whatever to burn here. Alright, so this is what we have. So this is what we have. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well by subscribing. Also like the video if it has been of help to you. Like it by clicking the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share this video with friends. Invite people to subscribe to my channel. The more subscribers I have, the more strength I have. Please and please share this video with friends. Alright, for enquiries, if you want to do business with me, you can call me on +234 80 365 88365. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.